Yo, bro, this John is lame. Look at this John, fam. She is crazy, bro. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, man, she's so lame. Man. Yo, what you saying though?
I'm good. Yeah, the viewers want a video still.
The video?
Yeah.
Shit, man. Ah, cool. Yo, guys, what you saying, man? It's Rain. Today we're gonna be making chicken tenders, bro. And you're thinking, how are we making chicken tenders? We ain't even got the chicken breasts or nothing, bro. I'll show you, man. Bro, listen. Bro, first of all, you know what you do? You grab the Milkina Micronati, bro. This milk, this milk, fam. I'll show you, man, right now. But, bro, you know what you gotta do? You gotta add the milk, the dairy. You know how the pyramid triangle, right, left? You get me? Yeah, man. Yeah, we're gonna add that. Then, boom. What should we add next, fam? Come. Yo, semen. What? We're gonna add it anyway. That's that thing in there, yeah, fam. Wait, bro, get in there, fam. You know what? Fuck that. That's right, yeah. Oh, it's ready. Smelling the aroma, it's smelling good. You know what we do after that, yeah?
Yeah.
Soy sauce, bro. Soy sauce, I never tried this one day in my life. But I'm gonna try it right now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Alright. Hold up.
A few moments later.
Bro, don't worry about that, man. We're just gonna dash it in there. Look at the concoction. Let's check it out.
Yeah. Well, it looks ass.
Hey, you shut up, yeah? Why are you talking for? Keep your ass shut, man. Be kind. Anyway, we're gonna add this Saka beans. I ain't joking. Alright, bro. We're gonna put this thing in it. Yeah, man. Man said Saka. It's red like Arsenal as well. So you know we're on. Boom. What else we got, man? It's another comes. Another semen, bro. Hey, bro, we're dashing this in there. Man said Nando's, if you're watching this, sponsor me. Hey, come on, hey, shut up, hey, let them know. And we're gonna put this thing in there right now. Dash this thing, yeah, make sure it's nice, bro. Ooh, check out that concoction. You might not on it, bro. I'm telling you, we're gonna add some olive oil, sunflower, bro. Cause you know how the sun comes down, the molecular structure, and it all goes white and yellow, and it comes out looking like urine. That's what you do.
Cold.
That shit, bro. That shit, man.
I think that's a bit too much.
Well, I think I wasted it. It's fine, though. It's fine. Boom. Black pepper for the black niggas around here. Fuck. Come on, man. Come on, it's begging on black and white, bro. You get me. Shut up. Hey, come on. That's just thinking of black peppers. Black everything, bro. Black heads, come on. Black face. Nah, wait, no, chill. Black face, bro. That's
Black
racist,
patch.
Bro. That's racist. Black patch. Oh, you know I'm secure about it, man. Why you violating? I taking the piss.
My bad.
Shut up, man. Anyway, I ain't got no ingredients left. We're gonna check what we've got in here. Cool. Everything's looking nice. Ooh, wait. Man said, what's this? Lemon juice. I never tried it. We're gonna try it today. That shit in there. Yeah, come on. Make it squirt. Ooh, my bad. Anyway, we're gonna continue the thing. What else we got? Ooh, you man got eggs like that?
Yeah.
You know what we do with eggs?
What we do with them?
We do eggs. We do. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Come on, you know the thing. Guy, don't touch me like that. Don't try that shit. You shut up. Anyway, we're gonna dash it out with some more butter, but I ain't got nothing to put it on, so we're just gonna. I've used my hands. I'm disrespectful, bro. Ooh, what are we gonna use? This is not. Bro. Yeah, thank you, man. You're a joke, man, but thank you regardless. Yeah, just wait, it's gonna come down soon. Yeah, come on. Yeah, come on. Hey, boom. Another egg in it. Let's go dash in another one, you know. I didn't get this time.
Are you?
We're not even gonna crack it, we're just gonna dash it in there. Now we're gonna get something to mix it with. To mix it, whipping in the kitchen. I don't know no airprint. Every other week I've been catching cases, bro. I like this ex man, fam. Bro, I'll be real. How much is?
I'd give it to my enemy.
Your enemy?
Yeah.
That's a nigga. enemy. Who you on, bro? Oh, look at this. Look how nice it looks. Look at that, bro. Come on, man. Come on. You know what it is.
It looks like shit.
Why you trying to violate in the camera, bro?
My bad.
Big YouTuber, you're trying to violate, man.
Sorry.
Listen, yeah, you shut up, yeah, with your black head, fam. Be quiet. Anyway, look at this, yeah, man. He's looking very nice, looking succulent, very juicy. Hey, come on. You know what we do now?
What?
I have to grab some container. We gotta dash it in there. You know what we do now? We dash it. Go whip it some more. Then dash it in here. Wallah, I don't know how. Wallah, if I'm making a mess, my bad, bro. But yeah. Come on. Hey, bro. Like my mother used to make. You get me?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna dash it in the air fryer.
A few moments later.
Looks like it's done. Let's check it. Oh my goodness, you man! Look at that. That is absolutely, bro. Look at the crispiness, bro. That's disgusting, bro. Amazing, best food I ever tried. Oh, bro, I love it. I love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Save.
Can I get paid?
Oh, you ain't getting paid.